Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and on today's video I am going to be doing my hair. So I decided to go ahead and lock my hair, but obviously I had short hair, so I wanted something that will have a little bit of length, but I didn't want to wait years to grow my hair, so I did instant locks. I did them myself, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did them. They are permanent. I want them to be permanent because I'm just over everything. Nothing works with my lifestyle anymore. Like the pixies, they don't work. And by the way, the power just went out now while I was getting ready, so I don't have my lights. It might be a little bit different than my normal videos, but I really just wanted to get this out. I need to edit the video and post it so that you guys can watch and see how I did my hair. This was the third time me trying this. So if you want to do this, make sure you get 100% human hair. So I got the first time around, I actually ordered from the same seller as this hair. It's nice, it's soft, it's cheap, it's 100% human hair. I did the burn test, I did everything. So I ordered the hair from this company, and then on my first try I made the locks separate, and then when it was time to attach them to my hair, they were too thick and I didn't like that. And the second time I ordered the hair from a different seller, and I got it. It was nice, but it was like very coarse. It was like super thick. Firstly, it was still human hair, but it was very thick that my locks would just stand like this, stand up straight like that. And I wanted this soft, bouncy, like curly texture, not like the super thick 4C. And also, like my locks were, some of them were thick, too thick back here, and very short than I wanted. And I had a lot of them like right here in the middle. Like I had thin at the back and thin in the front here, but here it was like a lot. It was like small little pieces because my hair was also like very short compared to now. And now I did it again, and this time I, like last time, I actually just attached them from my hair and just keep crocheting until I get to the length. And I used the length of the hair to actually achieve my length. So I've done most of my hair. I'm just left with a little bit here that I'm gonna show you how I've been doing my hair. So I've done the whole back. I just tied them down, done the whole back, the sides, everything except for this part here. And this took me about 3 days to complete. So first thing you're gonna need is some hair. I am using bulk human hair. It has to be human hair if you want this to be permanent, which is my goal, to just lock my hair and have permanent locks. But I don't want to start from like little short. So these days at least you can do extensions, and eventually it will just continue growing with your hair. I also got these crochet things. I got this from, I think, Shein. So there's three of them, and one has one prong, two prongs, and three. I actually prefer the two prong ones. This the one that I've used most of the time. They are very tiny, and the size that I got are 0.75 millimeter. I hope you guys can kind of like see what I'm doing. That I take the human hair with my hair and just hold it together, and then I take my little crochet and just poke in there, and then while I'm poking it's pulling, but I'm also twisting the hair a little bit, making sure I'm grabbing everything together, and just poke, twist, poke, twist, poke, twist, and then eventually it will be like stuck together. And just continue with the poke and pull. It's also nice to leave your hair there in the beginning if you have enough, but mine is short, so I'm trying to grab as much as I can. So I try to spend as much time as I can right in the beginning, and then the rest can be loose, it can be like wobbly and like not very tight. That's fine, as long as the roots are tight here, then it's fine. Like this is secured, it's not going anywhere. And I just like to go back and forth and just make it as tight as possible, and just continue until I get to the end. And if I feel like it's thinning out, because in the beginning here I do have my hair, so it is thicker, but when I continue, sometimes I feel like it's getting a little bit thin, and then I just grab like whatever loose hair and just add it on just to thicken it, but not really all the time. But for now I'm just continuing to twist and poke until I get to the end of the lock. And now I've gotten to the end, and I just take my scissors and cut off the tip. I can already see that there is like a weak part here, but it's fine. We'll get back to it once I am done with the lock. And it's done, but as you can see, this part here needs to be crocheted a little bit more, and I do feel like it's a little bit thin, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of hair just to add in volume at this part. Yeah. And now it's done, it's perfect. So I'm gonna just continue this to the same way I did the other two. So I am done with this, and this is how they are looking. Really, really nice and light. So now I'm gonna take the beeswax, go and twist them out. I like to go one by one. So this is why I have these clips, because they are holding those ones down. So I just put like a generous amount and then just twist them on my palm like so, and then hold it down with one of these clips. And I normally do them line by line, so the previous line might be dry, but I'm just gonna keep adding new ones. So take the beeswax, put it like right on the roots. It's mostly going on my hair, and then just twist, and then clip it down so that it can like cool or dry before it retwists itself out. And that's it for my locks. I'm gonna let this sit for maybe like an hour before I release them down. I should actually let this down because it's been tight like this for 3 days now, and I have so many clips. Yeah, so it's all done. And last time I did have like a lot of casualties, they were just falling, and this time I made sure that none of them come off. I spend time doing them. So yeah, I am done with the logs. Let me show you the back. Absolutely love them, and it's like the perfect amount, the perfect length, exactly what I wanted. And yeah, I am very, very happy with how they turned out, and they are very, very light because this hair is like 30 grams per pack, and I used almost 2. Very, very light. It's human hair, so no funny smells, nothing like that. It's washable. If I want to bleach it or dye it, I can do that, but I know I'd rather stay with the natural color. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. Tired, but very, very happy. I can't really feel my thumbs, but I'm very, very happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.